New Essential Mathematics, Advanced and Extension 1, Year 11 courses, written by Terry Lee. Before we study the example in Terry Lee's mathematics textbook, a fact is to be reviewed. In the 1990s, a team of German psychologists revealed that it takes 10,000 hours of deliberate practice to become a professional violinist. When I open Terry Lee's Year 11 textbook, I can see the clear solution and the alternative method to each question. Example 1.4. Solve the following quadratic equations by using all available methods where possible. Factorizing, quadratic formula, and completing the square. A. X squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. By factorizing, because the linear term negative x coefficient is negative 1, so we can factorize negative 6 to negative 3 times positive 2. Therefore, x squared minus x minus 6 equals bracket x minus 3 bracket times bracket x plus 2 bracket equals 0. Therefore, we get two equations, x plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 2 or x equals 3. The second method is by quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. In the question, a equals positive 1, b equals negative 1, c equals negative 6. By substitution, x equals negative bracket negative 1 bracket plus minus square root bracket negative 1 bracket square minus 4 times 1 times bracket negative 6 bracket over 2 times 1. To simplify it, it is to get 1 plus 5 over 2 or 1 minus 5 over 2. The final result is x equals 3 or negative 2. The third method is by completing the square. Again, x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. The coefficient a equals 1, b equals negative 1, c equals negative 6. Firstly, plus 6 on both sides of the equation, it is to get x squared minus x equals 6. Now the linear term coefficient is negative 1. So half the linear term coefficient and square it. Half negative 1, you get negative half. And square negative half, you get a quarter. So you can add a quarter on the left hand side of x squared minus x equals 6. You get x squared minus x plus a quarter. Because you add a quarter on the left-hand side of the equation, you need to add a quarter on the right-hand side of the equation to make it equal. Therefore, you get x squared minus x plus a quarter equals 6 plus a quarter. And the left-hand side, x squared minus x plus a quarter, is the completing square. So you can get bracket x minus half bracket square according to bracket x plus half b bracket square equals x squared plus bx plus b squared over 4. And the right hand side, 6 plus a quarter, you can get 6 and a quarter. It is 25 over 4. Therefore, you completed the square. You get the second last line, bracket, x minus half, bracket square, equals 25 over 4. Then you can take a square root on both sides. It is to get x minus half equals plus minus square root of 25 over 4, which is plus minus 5 over 2. To simplify the equation, you get two equations. One is x take away half equals negative 5 over 2. Then you get x equals negative 2. The other one is x take away half equals positive 5 over 2. Then you get x equals 3. The same result as the other two methods. So in example 1.4, we basically reviewed three methods to solve a quadratic equation: factorizing, quadratic formula, and completing the square. Let's study Terry Lee's Year 11 courses together. Thank you.